The beauty of this system is in its simplicity. Simply A into B and you can do huge long runs. Now it's the joiners that give it its strength. They've got matching grooves here that match the honeycomb. So it's really only one place it can go. And in position like that, because it's wrapped around all the honeycomb, it's already strong. But 2 little screws to put it into position. Repeat the process on the other side. Now those 2 pieces have multiple points of connection. You can see how strong it is. So it's not going to move on you and warp. It's got the extra brace and it's seamless. You can't see it from the top. That there is a point of difference to everyone else in the industry.